Hello and welcome to this exciting journey into the future. Today, we're diving straight into a game-changing topic, the best online business to start in 2025. Whether you're looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind or you're ready to take your entrepreneurial dreams to the next level, this is the video for you. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the very end because I'm sharing actionable tips and insider secrets to help you start strong. Let's kick things off with some context. The online business world is evolving faster than ever. From AI advancements to shifts in consumer behavior, 2025 offers opportunities we've never seen before. And the best part, you don't need a ton of money to get started, just a laptop, internet connection, and the right strategy. First up, we have AI-powered services. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's transforming businesses in real time. If you have skills in programming, data analysis, or even creative writing, starting an AI-based service like content automation or chatbot development is a goldmine for 2025. Don't have technical skills? No problem. You can offer services like AI prompt creation, training clients to use AI tools, or integrating AI into their businesses. Next, let's talk about digital products and courses. E-learning continues to explode, and 2025 will be no different. If you're an expert in a niche, whether it's graphic design, marketing, fitness, or even baking, create an online course or ebook. Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, and Kajabi make it easy to reach a global audience. Plus, it's a business model with high profit margins and the flexibility to work from anywhere. Another major trend for 2025 is e-commerce with a twist. Instead of traditional dropshipping, focus on micro-niche stores or personalized products. Customers crave unique, tailored experiences. Think custom-made items, sustainable products, or subscription boxes. And with print-on-demand platforms, you don't even need inventory. Now, here's where things get even more exciting: creator economy ventures. If you've ever thought about becoming a content creator, 2025 is your time. Brands are pouring billions into influencer marketing. Even if you start small, niche audiences are highly profitable. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a TikTok series, or a newsletter, pick a topic you're passionate about. Stay consistent and monetize through sponsorships, merch, or memberships. Finally, don't overlook freelancing and consulting. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are thriving, and remote work is here to stay. Whether you're a social media manager, copywriter, or virtual assistant, freelancing lets you start with zero upfront cost. And as your client base grows, you can scale into an agency model. Alright, let's wrap this up. The key to success in 2025? Start now! Don't wait for the perfect moment or let fear hold you back. Choose one of these business ideas, take that first step, and commit to consistent action. Before you go, here's your call to action. Subscribe to this channel for more practical tips and insights to level up your business journey. And in the comments, tell me which online business idea excites you the most. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you take the next step. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 your year to thrive.